guys, welcome back. Monibelmos here. So today I'm showing you a room makeover that I did under $300. The room belongs to my nieces, Angelise and Jada. They're 9 and 5 years old, and they share a room, and I did it under $300, which was like such a fun challenge for me to do, like going thrifting and like finding those items that can be implemented into the room design, but also like represent their personalities and things they like. Growing up, my sister and I shared a room, and we never really got to like decorate it into our own style. Basically, like we took things that my mother kind of put together and threw it in a room and called it a bedroom. So like getting back into that like headspace and like the little girl like bedroom was so much fun for me. Also, if you're doing a room on a budget, I definitely recommend that you go to thrift stores. It can be really intimidating sometimes because there's like so many things in one room, and some people kind of feel icky about the thrift store, but you shouldn't feel that way at all, because like it's, once you see how much money you're saving and like the quality of items that you find is like really good, and it's fun. I don't know, it's fun to me, so I don't know, maybe you guys will enjoy it too. Also, I was looking for a side table and I couldn't find one, so I hit up the Dollar Tree and I kind of made my own side table, which was like about maybe $5–6, like including like the materials. So that was really fun and easy, and it's super quick. It takes you like 5 minutes. I'm a sucker for easy DIY. Definitely check that out. What else? You're gonna see their reaction, and it was super cute. Like, I feel like they really loved it. I appreciate your support on my channel. Feel free to comment on anything that you want, any suggestions or whatever. So I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye. So here I just measured 35 inches from the border of the wall, and then I just marked it, making indications on my wall. I'm about to start painting, and we are on a budget, so that is the reason why we're only painting half the room, saving some money there with paint. So if you're in a budget and you have a plain room, I suggest that you choose to paint half the room rather than not painting at all. Because paint definitely makes a huge difference. Even if you were to just paint one wall, and I'm painting with this peppermint stick. Is that the name of the color? It is. It's a pretty pink, kind of like a blush pink color for the girls. So yeah. Okay, and once I was finished painting the wall, this is what that color looked like, and it was really pretty. And again, I only used 1/4 paint, so if you do that, just try to stretch it out. And guys, if you're on the hunt for comforters or bedding sheets, I definitely suggest you go to Amazon. These are called Amazon Basics, and they were only $36 each, and they have tons of options. Guys, when I say thrifting is fun for me, literally, this is why. I found these gray curtain panels for $2 each. They were the perfect shade of gray, and they matched the bed frame perfectly. And I really wanted to bring that color to the other side of the wall, so that was so exciting. And then also, I got this sheer white curtain with pink pom-poms, and I was gonna use that on the other window. But guys, come on, $2, you can't beat that. And when you're thrifting, you just have to make sure that you have a plan, because if you have a plan, then you have a color scheme, and you can find something that totally works within your room. Okay, and now for my Dollar Tree DIY side table. Here I'm using Dollar Tree adhesive, and I'm using that to bond the two buckets together. I'm just applying pressure, and at the top of my side table, I am using a Dollar Tree plate. Now this plate, I think it's new. It has like a wooden texture to it, and I thought it would be pretty cool to use it as my tabletop. The adhesive, I could probably do hot glue instead next time, because I don't think it was strong enough. So you're gonna see me, I go in with my hot glue and I want to reinforce the strength. So I hot glue the baseline of the two buckets together and I just do that all the way around. And then I felt like it needed something else, so I used Dollar Tree jute rope to cover that up. So again, I go in with the hot glue and then start placing the jute rope around the buckets. And lastly, to secure the plate on to the bucket, I went ahead with my hot glue again and I just started gluing all around the plate and the bucket just to make sure that's pretty secure. Now again, I don't recommend this for like an everyday adult use. Again, it's a kid's room and I was on a budget. I didn't want to spend like 20 bucks on a side table, so I thought this would work considering that I was only gonna place like a lamp on top of it. And again, they're kids, so like it was about $6 with the two buckets, the plate, the hot glue, and the jute rope. So I knew it was gonna be totally fine. And yeah, it's super easy. And in the end, it's super cute. You're gonna see it because my camera actually died while I was filming this, unfortunately, but I'll show you in the next frame. So I knew I needed 2 chairs, and this was one of them, which was $10. Now here I am spray painting. I know it wasn't so cute, but it's crazy how spray paint can make something look totally different. Definitely when you're shopping and something looks like junk, keep an open mind, envision it in a different color, and then maybe you're gonna find a hidden gem.
Okay, so quickly, I wanted to show you this floating desk. I painted it with black chalk paint. So I am prepping it for chalk. Okay, so these canvases I bought for, what is that, $2-3, and obviously it's cheaper than buying a canvas with art, so I'm just gonna paint it and then draw on it. So budget saving tip. This is the canvas that I painted with the chalk paint, and my niece, she loves soccer, so I am just like hand drawing a soccer ball, and then I am gonna color it with chalk. But it's like, you can get really creative with art. Like, it doesn't have to be expensive. Okay, so here I'm just letting you guys watch. Basically, I'm just finishing up the soccer ball, and then I'm gonna color it in with chalk. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. To the right, you guys can see some frames, and those I actually bought at the thrift store. And I removed the old pictures, and the Dollar Tree has these cute stickers that they're meant to be on the wall, but I just used them on the frames because I thought it would make cool art. So yeah, you guys just have to get really creative when it comes to art. You guys saw the room before.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to ask you guys to close your eyes. No peeking, okay?
She's alive.
Alright, close your eyes. Alright, close your eyes, Angelise. Come on. When I tell you to open your eyes, you're gonna open, but not yet, okay?
Okay.
When I say 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Open.
Oh my gosh. It looks really beautiful.
Guys, I enjoyed making this video so much. It was super fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up please. Also, if you want to keep watching, subscribe for more content coming up. And yeah, I hope you guys learned some tips that you can follow, some budget friendly options, and if I encouraged you to go thrifting and have fun, but be safe, wear a mask. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Take care. Bye.
It's like growing up, my sister and I shared a room, so it's really special. No, it wasn't. Why are you lying? I wanted my own room. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm tired. I don't want to film anymore. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.